study from kindergarten. I tell me the shape is square, square happy, circle sad, triangle happy, rectangle sad, star, star happy, heart happy, diamond sad. Bye bye.
Hello everybody, my name is Lara. I am student from kindergarten. I talk about our five senses: sight, smell, taste, hear, touch.
Hello everybody, my name is Lara. I am 5 years old. I stay from kindergarten. Class, my name is Divine Multiple.